Hey guys, it's Tira Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. Today is episode 3 of my spooky series, YouTube series, and I'm actually really excited about this one because it turned out so good. Way better than I actually thought it would turn out, just because I've never done this design before, so you guys are gonna see me like in real time actually trying this design for the first time. But of course, like I start all of my sets, I'm going to start off by putting all my base colors on. I know what I want the set to look like, so that's why I'm able to just go in this order and do it that way. I am referencing a picture and then also kind of just using my own creativity as well to kind of create the set that I want. And as of right now, before this video has been posted, this set is available for sale on my website. If you go to my Etsy, which is linked down below in my description, you'll be able to grab it for yourself. It is a size small and the shape long square. All those details, of course, are on my Etsy, but I just want to let you guys know that, just so you know if you're interested or you know somebody that would like this set. But yeah, I'm super excited for y'all to see how this turned out and how I got here. Before I go any further with my design, I go in with the matte coat and I matte out everything. I kind of wish I didn't matte these beige ones until I did the black French tip on them, but the black one I definitely needed to matte out immediately because I just have a very elaborate process as to how I got my Scream design on there. So that's what I'm doing, and I don't know if YouTube's gonna get me for even saying like the name of that, but for now I just called it the Ghostface, like you know what movie that's from and like where all that jazz. So and then something too about just a matte coat just really does it for me. Like I love how matte nails look. I don't know about you, I know some people hate that like chalky look, but I actually really enjoy how that looks. It kind of reminds me of acrylic, or just like, I don't know, like before you put the top coat on. But anyway, I'm just going in and making all of my French tips. Nothing crazy here, but again, I wish I had made all the French tip nails and then gone in with my top coat, but maybe this was, better because it would prevent any smearing if I did encounter that, but I didn't, so. Something I'm also very proud about is the fact that I've gotten so much better at French tip over time. I know that, again, some people do like really different types of French tips. Some people like the more shallow look. Some people like the more like Y2K look. I like the very deep French that goes all the way down from sidewall to sidewall. I think it just looks really nice. It's very cute to me. I don't know about y'all, but I really love it. And I guess if you shop with me, you love it too, because I don't see why you'd buy something you don't like. But I really do love how this is. It's just like my favorite thing, and I'm getting so much better at it. My technique is interesting, I will say, because some people they use like the line pattern. I don't even know how to describe it, but if you know what I'm talking about, they kind of like make almost like the letter A, and then they round it out wherever the apex or like the connecting lines are, and then they kind of create the French tip. But honestly, my thing is like whatever works for you is just how you should do it. Like I don't think there needs to be necessarily a specific one way to do it, but I guess if you're in school and you're learning a technique, then of course do the technique, and then whenever you get to your own practice or your own business, do what you want, girl. But like I think for the sake of learning, maybe have a technique. But I'm self-taught as of right now. I would love to get further education. I think it'd be really, really beneficial, and then it would probably open a lot more doors for me, just being able to get like my own suite, or being able to just like open up my own business that way. Obviously I have the business I have now, but it's all run from home, and there's obviously like nothing wrong with that, but I would love to just have those credentials and just make myself a little bit more established in my field. I don't know about you guys, but for me, it's not really feeling like spooky season. Like, I don't really know why. Maybe because I haven't bought any decorations or like just got into the spirit of things. I'm not going to any Halloween parties, but I don't know, y'all. Like and also too, I think what's making it feel like it's not fall is the idea that it's still really warm where I live. Like it's not feeling like fall, it's not chilly, it's not even raining. I live in the Midwest, so I'm a little confused why it's still so warm. Like St. Louis is very much known for having a second fall, so it's like we get a taste of fall like early September, and then it gets right back hot. And it's been consistently warm since then. It is now October 11th, and we're still pretty warm. So I don't really know. Maybe that's why I'm not feeling like it's, I don't know, like spooky season, fall, cozy weather, but I don't know. It's okay. Drop down below in the comments if it feels like fall to you, because right now I'm not really feeling like it is. So this is the fun part. Like I said, I went in and made these Ghostface designs. I had never done this prior, so you just see me making the face shape. And I like that I did the nail black just because I could avoid having to make the little cape or like the robe that he has on. So it kind of just like makes sense and it kind of all blends together. But yeah, I just carefully go in and make the like mask shape. It was actually quite hard, and I did like wipe it off and start over again multiple times. But I think that it turned out just fine. I did come back to this the next day though, because it was late the night that I was doing it, and then also too I was just very frustrated with how it was turning out. So if you see those like little crinkly lines that are on there, that's why, because it didn't get fully cured, I think, whenever I put it in. And that's okay, because we're gonna do something fun to like kind of cover that up. But yeah, I'm just taking my daughter tool, and this is the perfect tool to make any kind of small shapes, or like eyes, or like the mouth, and obviously the little nose hole of the mask. So I think it turned out really good that way, and I actually think this looks pretty similar to what the actual mask looks like. So I'm really happy with how that worked. And right now you just see me taking a very, very fine brush and then putting it only on the black, because I'm trying to matte out the black part, because I'm going to sprinkle glitter all over the white part, and I think that's going to turn out so cute. So in order to do that, since that black part is now matted out, that means nothing will stick to it. So I'm now going to take my clear coat and just put it all over the white part. And maybe there was a better way to do this, but this is the, I guess, easiest way I could find and the most efficient. So I go ahead and do that, and like I said, I am trying to camouflage that mistake that I had made underneath there, but it's not going to matter because it's going to be covered with glitter, and glitter makes everything better, obviously. So I go in with that clear coat and then just outline everything, making sure not to hit the black because I don't want it to stick to that. And this little glitter catcher that I got off Amazon is so convenient. I love it so much because it makes me not waste any glitter, and then also too, it just makes the process so much cleaner, because obviously I wouldn't want glitter everywhere after that. So that's as simple as that. And obviously I'll have everything linked in my description, and it's just gonna be the link to my Amazon storefront. And down there you can find literally everything that I use, or everything that I really like. So I don't really post things on the Amazon storefront that I don't like, because obviously I'm not going to just be, if I don't like it, I don't want y'all to use it. So one skill that I do struggle with still a little bit is just the outlining French tips. I feel like it can be really hard trying to make sure that thickness is the same throughout the entire, I guess, arch of the French tip. Still working on that skill, but I think it's something that's fun to practice and can be a little tricky, but I definitely need the work. So that's why I went ahead and did it on this nail. And then also too, I think it kind of added to that spiderweb effect. Very cute to me. And of course I couldn't just leave it there. I had to add glitter to this one too, because this is a bling spooky set. Like, it's still spooky, but it's very much girly. So love that. So earlier I mentioned going to like parties for Halloween, and just, I'm still on this concept, okay? Like, I'm not over this because I don't feel like it's Halloween, and maybe it's just me, but I also think that like doing this series is helping me get into the spirit a little bit more, because I don't know, ever since I've gotten a little older, I just feel like Halloween and like the holidays have a different sentiment. Like, they're not the same as what they used to be, or not as exciting, I guess, whenever I was a kid. But I wonder if like other people are experiencing that, or if anyone has anything really fun or like just worth sharing that's going on for them this season. I like I said, I'm not going to any parties and I'm obviously not trick-or-treating, but I don't know. I just want it to feel more like spooky season. I don't know if I'll ever like really feel that way about it again, unless I just continue like doing these series and stuff, because that will really help me get in the spirit, or until I have kids, and I feel like that'll also kind of like put me in the mood to celebrate a little bit. And I quickly did a montage for this one because I did not want y'all sitting here for longer than you had to. But I basically just go in and bling out these French tips, the thumbnail and the pinky nail, because I thought it'd be super cute to have that bling element. Not sure if black was the best color to do underneath clear rhinestones. I probably should have done white maybe, but wasn't thinking that far ahead when I did it. So I'm just putting all these on, and it seems like I skipped just like recording the pinky nail altogether, so y'all get the gist. But of course my last step is adding on all my final touches. So of course I added this super cute spider charm. The spiders, I don't know why, they're so cute to me. I love them so much, so I try to use them as much as possible during Halloween and like the fall. But these French tips, I just add a couple little designs. So I did a cross charm and then some two like little gems to put at the base of the nail. Super cute. I think this kind of just pulls it together and makes it extra glamorous. And there's no top coat obviously because we've already done that matte coat, and I really enjoy how it looks as a matte finish. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up any excess glue because I don't want to cure it and have that kind of be like showing, because obviously I can't camouflage it with the clear coat. So making sure I clean everything up as best as I can. But yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Look at how good this looks. I'm so proud of this set. I think it just it encompasses all of my skills at once, and then just kind of is a testament to growth and just getting better at nails. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And remember too, if you want this set, be sure to check out the link down below. See you guys next time. Bye.